Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. In tonight's video, I'll be taking you on how to create and configure the DHCP server on a layer 2 device. So in this video, you'll be seeing how to create DHCP server configuration on a layer 2 device. Now, the first step is to launch a terminal emulator. In my case, I'll be using the PuTTY. Then I'll have to put in the IP address of my management VLAN. Then you could see I can access my line VTY. Now I put my line VTY's password. You see, it takes me to the next page, which is the user exec mode. Using the enable command, it has prompted me for the next password, which is my enable password. And it took me to the previous exec mode. And now, if I use the command, I am already at the global configuration mode. So let me check the running configuration of this particular device. So now let me configure a DHCP server. As you can see, this has been created. If I do the show run again, then I filter using the filter command. To see all the DHCP commands I've used, all displayed here. So this is basically it. So that's how you configure a DHCP server on any device. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.